Hi, I'm Ned Tobin from Red Spruce Farm in Nova Scotia here, and I'm going to review the 20 volt max brushless impact driver with a 1/4 inch chuck, and as you can see it's battery powered, so it is wireless. I like this. This is a great drill. We've used these to build barns, to build a house. It feels good in the hand. It's got forward and reverse here right at your fingertip and thumb, which makes driving and reversing very quick. I also really like the light. The light is very handy when you're in a tight space. I'll give it a quick test here. As you can see, it works pretty quick, very easy to go forward and reverse. It comes with a battery charger, a nice small compact battery charger, and a cool bag. I like to throw a few extra tools in the bag when I'm going to a job site. Overall, really highly recommend the impact driver by DEWALT, the 20 volt max brushless. So overall, I would definitely recommend the 20 volt max brushless impact driver by DEWALT to family and friends. And in fact, family and friends first recommended it to me, and I would continue to recommend it to others.